Sinom, CNC roll lathe. Inhabits steel rebar mill, Turkey. This machine is a CNC roll lathe. It is suitable for high-speed steel, hard alloy or other tools for semi-finishing and fine turning of cast iron, steel, and non-ferrous metal rolls or other sharp parts. For the other circumference, end face, and various hole types of the roll turning and repairing of complex surfaces. Generally, the machine is horizontal layout. The basic configuration is bed box, knife holder, full-station automatic tool holder, tailstock, and other major mechanical devices, and main electric device such as operating button, stations, electric control boxes, servo main motor, and speed control system. Siemens C2AD numerical control system and servo spindle motor, etc. At the same time, there are alternative fast tool holder for customers select. At the left side and right side of the tool holder, two tool rolls are installed separately. Which is easy for machining deep groove structure rolls. Meanwhile, it can guarantee enough rigidity and precision retaining ability. If you are interested in our products, you can communicate with us. Inhabits steel rebar mill, Turkey, CNC roll turning lathe. Commissioning and start up successfully.